Good morning, everyone. I'm Dominus Orbis, and today I'm going to be doing Packet Tracer 3.2.2.3, Troubleshoot VLAN Trunking Protocol and Dynamic Trunking Protocol. This video is part of a CCNA Routing and Switching 6.0 Bridging course because Cisco announced recently the end of life for the exams highlighted here. So if you're planning on certifying after those dates, then you need to go ahead and study this new curriculum. And if you already hold your CCNA, this is ideal to refresh your skills with new skills. And last thing here, we're going to be dealing with a dynamic trunking protocol. And if either side of the link is a desirable auto or trunk, then that will also form a trunk link. So we have a distribution layer switch and 3 access layer switches, which we can only access the distribution layer switch. So I'll go ahead and open that up, and we have some dynamic trunking protocol error messages here. Let me just sorry about this technicality. No, it's already on 14 point. Okay. Our instructions say to go ahead and troubleshoot the DTP first, because without the DTP functioning, we cannot get a Vtp to work. So let's just look at a command to see what the show interface is. Fast Ethernet F01 switch port. That's going to tell me it is in dynamic auto. Okay. So with dynamic auto, if the other side is dynamic auto, other side of the link that is, it will be an access port, not a trunk port. If the other side is a dynamic desirable, then it will in fact form a trunk. Also, if it's hard-coded as a trunk, it will form a trunk. Or if the other side is an access, it will form access. So in this case, since we're not getting a trunk, we have a mismatch. It says right here, unable to form trunk negotiation on port 1, 2. Doesn't list 3, even though 3 is connected here for some reason. That must mean that the other side is dynamic auto, which is the default right here. So we're going to change that by entering the following command. Range, interface range, fast Ethernet 1 through 3, switch port mode, dynamic, desirable. Now, if it's desirable, remember my little notes here, if the other side of the link is either one of these, it will be a trunk. So we should get a trunk up, DTP trunk. All right, good. We're still not going to be able to see the trunk links yet because of a Vtp domain mismatch. Okay, so let's troubleshoot that. Show Vtp status. Let's look at our notes here. Domain CCNA-PT, domain is incorrect. Mode is client, needs to be server. Password, show Vtp password. Password also incorrect. Show VLAN brief, 100, 200, 300, 400. That is correct. So let's correct this. Vtp mode server, okay? Now my trunk links are up because I have corrected the Vtp domain name and password and mode. 30 out of 30. All right, so it looks good. Everything's working. Once again, my name is Dominus Orbis. I hope this video has been informative, and I want to thank you for viewing.